Today we're going to learn how to get this brassy blonde hair to beautiful white platinum blonde. The first thing we do is we put Brilliant Blonde on her root area, which you can see is fairly dark, level 6, and definitely needs to be lifted up before we can do any toning. We're using Brilliant Blonde for that, and we're using 30 vol, and we're getting it up to a really nice level 10, as you can see. And this is really key. This is the level you need to get to. Now we use 100V, which is Intense Pearl Blonde Toner, and we go ahead and we apply. And you can see the blue and purple pigments in the Intense Pearl Blonde Toner are changing color already and are acting on the hair and neutralizing any remaining yellow. So when we rinse, you'll start to see that it's beautiful white platinum blonde. So here's a recipe: Brilliant Blonde Beach with 30 vol developer to lift up the roots, and then Intense Pearl Blonde Toner with 20 vol to get it to that beautiful white platinum blonde hair. Enjoy!